Sorry for the background, but today, what's up guys? Kemba Colin Jr. at your service again and again and again. And for today, let me try to eat something. Wala na akong content. Ito na lang, okay? Let me try for something to eat this. Look. Sorry for the camera. Let me try. Look. Chocolate. What the fuck? I forgot to think that this chocolate is come from the wrap. So that's why it's... But let me taste. Things sounds good. Sounds good. Oh, they have another one here. Look, see? The something here. Let me try Wi-Fi. I don't know what that is. Not too sweet. Not too... something, but sounds good. Not too sweet. Not too something. I rate this matter is a go with 7. I don't think it deserves to be 7. Not too sweet, but something like I don't. It tastes not just like or a little bit. It tastes like chocolate a bit, but it's not too sweet. So it is deserved or not. I don't know what is this. I don't know if deserve to rate this as 7. Choco Joys, you deserve the 7. So that is the content for today. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Ano nga intro?
Hello. Hello, so yun, magsisimula, mag-ano na ako. Kasi na sold out po.
Sold out po ang libro. Yan po, mga ano lang.
Poster.